my channel. So this video is about few new launches. These products recently launched here in India and I have purchased it and tried it out. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about these products. I have used them for quite some time and I know like how these products work, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. If you guys are interested in this video, please continue watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. I have my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen, so you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'll also link the products that I'm going to show you guys in the description box below, so if you want to check those products out, you can definitely can. Now let's get started. So first, let's talk about the Mars Take a Glow Illuminating Primer. This is the primer that I have been seeing all over internet, let it be YouTube, Instagram. So I thought that I need to purchase and try it out for myself. Like, this is the most like hype product. So this product is for rupees 229 and I have got it in the shade 01 Moon Glow. So this is like a stroke or illuminating cream that you can use it with as a primer, also like a illuminator with your foundation or as a highlighter after your foundation. So it can be used in a multiple ways. What I really love about this product is that it is very smooth. It is not chunky or glittery at all. It is like a smooth illuminating primer, somewhat like the MAC Strobe, and the tube is huge. I love the quantity for the price. So this is how the product swatches. You can see how smooth it is and it is not chunky or glittery at all. It just gives you the beautiful like glow. Then I have another Mars product. It is the Mars Trendsetter Setting Powder and it is for rupees 249. It looks. It has a puff to it so that you can apply the product directly using this puff. Now this one is a very smooth kind of a like finely milled setting powder. It is not crunchy or cakey. It doesn't make your, if you set your under eyes or your face, this won't make your face like very cakey or crunchy at all. Also, this powder is not like super matte kind of a powder. It has a bit of sheen to it which doesn't look bad. It just gives and adds glow to your skin. So for the price range, I think the quantity they give is pretty good and the product as well, the quality of the product is super good. I am loving both of these products. So next I have this e.l.f. highlighter and blush duo. It is for rupees 400 and I picked up the variant Spiced Apple. Blush and a highlighter. Both of them are pigmented, they are smooth, they applies and blends super easily. So this blush is like a peachy kind of a blush and the highlighter is a gold highlighter. I am loving it at the moment, like every e.l.f. product. This product too is affordable but the quality is really good. Like the packaging, it is like travel friendly, very compact. You can travel with this product. You don't have to get two like different blush and highlighter because this duo has the both. Then I have the latest like My Glam Pop XO collection. It is their Sen Nudes palette. It is a quad and this palette is for rupees 299. is super cute. I love how beautiful it is. It is also very travel friendly. It is like mini and you can take it with you. This palette has like 4 shades, 2 matte, 2 shimmer. So I bought the palette called Scent Nudes. It's a nude neutral palette where you have like browns and like muted pinks. These shades are really soft and blends easily. The pigmentation is good as well. I'm loving this palette. For the price point, I think this palette is pretty good. Then I picked up another My Glam Pop Exo like nail kit. It is called Chilling Mini Nail Kit and it is for rupees 249. This one is cute as well. The packaging is really pretty. It is pink. Like 5 mini nail paints in here, all in neutral nude kind of shades. There are a lot more of like these kind of nail kits where you have colors as well, but I chose the neutral one. So these are the nail paints. It is mini and the shades are really pretty. Also this nail paint lasts long. It doesn't chip or crack easily. Then I have the Milani Brightside Illuminating Primer. It is for rupees 1600 and this, as the name suggests, is a illuminating primer. It is really beautiful. It is perfect for like the party and wedding season. I have used this quite some time and I really love the glow that it gives me. The primer is very smooth, the shimmers is not like chunky, it just gives you the beautiful glow. If you want a glowy base or a dewy glowy kind of a look, then I think this primer would be perfect. Then we have the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This is for rupees 650. Now this is like a tinted moisturizer which gives you like very hydrating kind of a base, but not that much of coverage. If you want a light everyday kind of a coverage, then this is the one for you. I really love how this feels on my skin. It leaves my skin like super hydrated and glowy. I can layer it up once or twice to get that medium like coverage. This is super lightweight. You don't feel heavy when you're applying this product. It is sheer, but you can like make it like a medium coverage. This doesn't set matte. It is like a very glowy, hydrating kind of a product because obviously it is a tinted moisturizer, so it will give you the benefits of a moisturizer as well. I love it on an everyday basis. I just put some moisturizer and SPF and I use this and it gives my skin like a nice glow, healthy glow. I purchased this e.l.f. Ride or Die lip balm in the flavor Boss Berry and this one is for rupees 500. This one is a berry flavored lip balm which smells yummy just like berries and it is tinted. It has a berry tone to it, and this one is like a thick lip balm that moisturizes your lips really well, and it leaves a bit of like, it gives a bit of tint to your lips as well. I really love the packaging. It is like a deep pink packaging. Also it is really travel friendly. You can just put it in your bag and go. The texture is thick. It is not liquidy or it is not like very creamy. It is a bit thick kind of a texture which I don't mind. Thick consistency. It has a thick texture, so it does last a really long time and it really hydrates and moisturizes your lips so it doesn't chap. This lovely palette from Makeup Revolution. It is their Forever Flawless Bird of Paradise palette. It is for rupees 1850. So I wanted a colorful palette because I had like a lot of neutral palette and I wanted something colorful, so I bought this one. palette looks, you can see how colorful it is. I love the shades in here. I've done a lot of look using this palette and really love the pigmentation of these colors. It is super pigmented, but it can also be blended really well and smoothly. The shimmers are really good. It sticks onto your eyes really well. Yes, because it is shimmer, it will have some fallout, but other than that, I think this palette is pretty good. And most of the shades are really smooth and easily blendable. I love the palette. It is colorful. It is perfect for all the colorful looks that you're gonna do. Then I bought this Face Shop mascara. It is for ₹400. I saw this mascara and I wanted to try it out, and I can tell you guys that it is really underrated. This mascara is so good. It does lengthen my lashes really well. It adds a bit of volume, and it is like super like black. The brush looks like. It is good for adding, this kind of brushes are like very good for adding length to your lashes. I need length to my lashes when I don't wear falsies. I want a mascara that adds length to my lashes, so this is the perfect one. I'm really loving it. You can remove it with a micellar water or an oil remover. It does last pretty long. It didn't smudge or budge at all. I am loving this. It adds a lot of length to my lashes and my lashes look like jet black. So this mascara is affordable and the quality is really good. I think I'm gonna keep purchasing it. Then I have the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It is for ₹600. I had the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and that concealer is a bit matte and thick. You have to really blend it super fast so that it doesn't sit on your like under eye area, and you have to really hydrate your under eye well before applying that concealer. Concealer, this is a hydrating one. It doesn't sit fast on your like under eye area. It looks healthy. It makes my under eye look healthy. I always use an under eye cream before using any kind of concealer, and this with a under eye cream makes my like under eye look more flawless. This is how the wand looks like, and this concealer is like so beautiful. It is like so hydrating. It makes my under eye look more perfect, and just because it is hydrating, it does blend super easily and looks like super nice. And I have the e.l.f. Wow Brow Neutral Brown like Volumizing Fiber Gel. It is for ₹490. It is a brow gel. It is a tinted brow gel. It is in the shade Neutral Brown. It is perfect for my like eyebrows. I do set it with this brow. Once I'm done doing my eyebrow, I fix it and set it with this brow gel, and I really love it. You can see the applicator is tiny and it has fibers to it. It is perfect to go in with this applicator because it is tiny and it does fit in. So it is tinted, so it does adds a bit of color to your brows. Also sets really well. My eyebrows doesn't move once I'm done setting with this eyebrow gel. You'll be seeing like Insight products all over Instagram. Everybody raved about their products, so I picked up two of their products. First, I picked up the Insight Makeup Essential Concealer in the shade NC2 Beige, and this one is for ₹100. Now the color didn't quite match my skin tone, but I can use it, and I do use it as a color corrector, like a peach color corrector. And I can say that this blends easily. It is creamy, it is smooth, it is soft, and the pigmentation is like good enough. I use it as a peach corrector, and it does like hides all my blemishes and stuff. I also layer concealer over this one and it does sit well over this concealer. For the super affordable price, I think the quality is pretty amazing. Then I got this Insight matte lipstick which is for only rupees 80. I got it in the shade Nude Coffee. Packaging looks like, and actually the shade isn't nude or coffee, it is a peach shade. I thought it would be like a nudish or a coffee kind of a lip shade, but it is actually a peach shade. But I don't mind, it is a pretty lip shade and it isn't matte. It isn't like a super matte lipstick, it is like a velvet matte, soft matte kind of a lipstick. It applies really well and it is super pigmented as well. This is how the shade looks like. It's like a very pretty fun kind of a shade. For 80 rupees, I think this is a nice option if you want an affordable lipstick. I think it is a nice option. It does transfer or it does move and budge because it is not super matte lipstick. So these are the recently launched products that I tried out. If you guys tried any of these products, then comment down below and let me know your thoughts as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get updated when I upload any video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.